What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and I'm currently in Singapore and the date is 19th of October. So why am I here? Today is a special day because OPPO has brought us here to Singapore to witness the launch of their new OPPO Find N3 Flip phone, okay? The OPPO Find N3 Flip for Singapore and Malaysia, okay? So after this, I'm gonna go have breakfast. After breakfast, we will go have lunch and then we will proceed to the launch event, okay? Of course, I'll be showing you everything that's happening today, so stay tuned, let's go! Okay guys, so the time now is 10:30 in the morning. We just finished breakfast, just settled down, and at the back here is actually the hotel that we are staying at. It's called JW Marriott, and in my hands is actually the OPPO Find N3 Flip. I've actually been using this flip phone for the past 2 weeks now, one week plus to 2 weeks. And in this video, I will also be sharing with you my honest review about this phone, but I shall keep it after the launching later. So now we will wait for the bus and then we'll head to Jewel for lunch. Okay, so seems like we just arrived at the location. It's basically Changi Exhibition Center, and as you can see, the crowd is all waiting to go in. So basically we have crowd from Malaysia, from Singapore, from Thailand, Japan, Hong Kong maybe. Okay, just go to our seats. Say hi! Wow. Konnichiwa. Now we have got our seats and we are waiting. And at the back, we have some cool people. Ben, say hi. Hello. You guys say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone, it's great to be here. Find N3 Flip.
Okay, so announcement has ended and now this is where the experience zone is, whereby all of us get to play and also touch and also try with all the new announced gadget, which is like the N3 Flip and also the N3 foldable. And I guess they also have the OPPO Pad, I think. So I'm just gonna go find out and see some of these people playing with these like new gadgets now. What's up guys, hope you guys enjoyed the launch of the Flip N3 series at Changi Exhibition yesterday, and today is actually the third day. I'm here in Singapore and we are actually going back to KL in 2 hours time. So yeah, so here's me reviewing this thing honestly to you, okay? Like after using the Flip N3 for almost 1 to 2 weeks now. The first thing that I want to talk about is definitely the cover screen. It is actually the same screen as the N2, but of course now you get the new interactive widgets. They also are very proud that we get apps like this now. So it's a full screen app that we can actually use on the outside screen. I like the ratio because this is actually the ratio of what Android apps are like. But it's not like the competitor flip phones whereby you can actually open any apps you want if you know the workaround. But this one is out of the box. They actually have prepared apps that are actually available for you to use on the cover screen. Like for example, I can open TikTok, I can check my emails, I can open Google Maps, I can even watch YouTube or Netflix on this little small screen, which is very convenient. Initially, I thought that only a limited number of apps can actually use the cover screen, but no, more and more apps are being added. So if you are worried that the apps that you want are not here, most of the apps are already here. Like for example, Grab is also on the cover screen already. Other than the cover screen, I can also say that when it comes to the crease, right? When it comes to the crease in the middle of the screen inside, right? As much as they say it's not visible, I would say it is still there, but it's just that the crease is not as deep. Hence, it looks kind of shallow and it's kind of negligible if you don't search for it, but it's definitely still there. I'm not sure if you can see it, right? It is definitely still there, and if you run your fingers through the screen, you can still somewhat feel it. But yeah, this is probably as best as we can get at this point in 2023. Other than that, the camera, it has a proper zoom camera, and it's probably the first flip phone in the world that has a zoom camera. So the zoom is actually 5 times. I feel that it is good enough for day-to-day use when it comes to a flip phone, because definitely we can get better zoom cameras from a bar type phone, not a flip phone. But if you want a flip phone, this is probably the flip phone that you can get that has the best cameras, because it has a very good ultra-wide main camera and also the 5 times hybrid zoom, crop sensor zoom, or whatever you call it, right? So you can still push it all the way to 10 times. You still can get decent photos to post on social media. So yeah, I feel that design-wise, it looks the same as the N2. Cover screen is now kind of improved because you can then open full screen apps on the outside, which is good. It has a 5 times zoom now, but one thing that I wanted to do but didn't get to do on the N2 was shooting 4K clips or videos on the outside screen, but even on the N3, it is still not possible. You can still shoot it, but if you want to use the outside screen to view and shoot, you are not able to use 4K. So now if you can see, right, I'm shooting 4K, but I am not able to use the outside screen to preview. If I want to use the outside screen to preview, I cannot shoot 4K. So that is probably the only weakness that I feel on the videography side, but yeah, most probably you can work around it by just using the inside screen to shoot 4K videos. So that was my quick review of the OPPO Find N3 Flip that was just officially launched the day before. I'm not sure when you're watching this, but yesterday for me today, and it's available for pre-order and to buy in Malaysia now. The price is about 4,000 plus. So if you ask me whether it's worth it or not, I would say that it's probably the most value or most worth it flip phone in the market now, because it has the better camera and the zoom camera and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I am gonna rush to my room now to grab my bags, and we will head to Jewel for lunch and then fly back to KL. That's it. Thank you very much. If you love to watch gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below this video. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Yo!